Hello guys, I'm here with a brand new video. I'm Ali Haider and this is my second video on this channel. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more new videos. So guys, I'm going to share with you a journey of our last prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Let's start with a short intro. So guys, I am going to share with you early life and background of our last prophet. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the last prophet of Islam, was born in 570 CE in Makkah, a city in present-day Saudi Arabia. His lineage belonged to the noble Quraysh tribe, especially the Banu Hashim clan. His father Abdullah ibn Abdul Muttalib passed away before his birth, and his mother Amna bint Wahab died when he was only 6 years old. He was then raised by his grandfather Abdul Muttalib and later by his uncle Abdul Talib, who became his guardian and protector. As a child, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was known for his honesty, truthfulness, and kindness. Due to his exceptional character, he earned the title Al-Amin, the trustworthy, and Al-Sadiq, the truthful, among the people of Makkah. Youth and early adulthood. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam worked as a shepherd in his early years and later became a merchant. His reputation for honesty attracted the attention of a wealthy widow, Hazrat Khatija bint Khalid, who hired him to manage her trade. Impressed by his character, she proposed marriage and they were married when he was 25 years old while she was 40. Their marriage was filled with love and mutual respect, and they had several children including Bibi Fatima to Zahra salamullah alaiha, who later became the wife of Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salam. At the age of 40, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to meditate in a cave of Hira located in the mountains near Makkah. In the year 610 CE, during one of his retreats, the angel Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam appeared to him with the first revelation. This marked the beginning of his prophethood. Initially, he shared the message of Tawheed, oneness of Allah, privately with close family and friends. As Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam began preaching Islam publicly, the Quraysh leaders strongly opposed him. They saw his message as a threat to their power and wealth, which was largely based on idol worship at the Kaaba. The Prophet and his followers faced severe persecution, including torture, social boycotts, and economic sanctions. Some of his campaigns sought refuge in Abyssinia under his protection of King Negus, while others endured hardships in Mecca. During this difficult period, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam lost his beloved wife Khatija rahmatullah alaiha and his supportive uncle Abu Talib alaihi salam. This year became known as a year of sorrow. During this challenging time, Allah blessed the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam with a miraculous journey known as Isra and Miraj. In one night, he was taken from Masjidul Haram and Makkah to Masjidul Aqsa in Jerusalem and then ascended to the heavens, where he spoke with past prophets and was granted the 5 daily prayers as an obligation for Muslims. Due to increasing persuasion, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his followers migrated to Yathrib, later named Medina. Now, in 622 CE, this migration, known as the Hijra, marks the beginning of the Islamic calendar. The people of Medina welcomed him as a leader, and he established the first Islamic state based on justice, brotherhood, and religious tolerance. In Medina, he drafted the Constitution of Medina, which ensured peaceful coexistence among Muslims, Jews, and other communities. Despite moving to Medina, the Quraysh continued to attack Muslims, leading to several battles. Battle of Badr 624 CE, a miraculous victory for Muslims despite being outnumbered. Battle of Uhud 625 CE, a setback for Muslims but a test of Faith, Battle of the Trench, 627 CE, a successful defense against a massive Quraysh-led siege. Eventually, in 630 CE, Hazrat Muhammad ﷺ and his followers peacefully entered Makkah, which led to the conquest of the city. He forgave his former enemies and cleansed the Kaaba of idols, restoring it as the house of Allah. In 632 CE, during his farewell pilgrimage, Muhammad ﷺ delivered his famous last sermon at Arafat: the unity of humanity, rights of women and justice, the importance of following the Quran and his Sunnah. A few months later, on 12th Rabiul Awal 632 CE, at the age of 63, Prophet Muhammad ﷺ passed away in Medina. He was buried in the room of his beloved wife Aisha rahmatullah alayhi, which is now part of Masjidun Nabawi. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ is regarded as the greatest leader and the most influential person in history. His teachings continue to guide over 1.9 billion Muslims worldwide. His life serves as an example of compassion, justice, patience, and devotion to Allah. The Quran and Hadith preserve his wisdom, and his legacy remains a beacon of light for all humanity. Peace and blessing be upon him. So guys, this is the journey of our last prophet, Hazrat Muhammad ﷺ. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Bye bye.